Moving to Germany without having a job and without knowing German language. Is it even possible? Well, yes, in 2023, anything is possible. When it comes to countries that hire foreign talent, I feel Germany really hits the sweet spot in being my top 5. You guys know I love discussing immigration, and I've personally worked extensively in Germany. I really think that the opportunities that Germany offers is above and beyond. And the fact that it gives access to whole of Europe and is closer to my home country, India, makes it even better. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the latest amendment to the German Resident Act, the introduction of Opportunity Card. Hello and namaste, my name is Nidhi Nagori and welcome back to my channel. Today we're discussing Germany and we're going to talk about this amazing points-based system that has come in. I personally love points-based system because I feel it gives any foreign worker a level playing ground. As a migrant, I'm also a product of points-based system because I entered Canada through express entry, which is completely points-based. So when Germany decided to come up with this opportunity card, I was curious how they would handle their points-based system. And let me tell you, I've been taken by surprise. While countries like Canada, Australia, and UK want exceptional candidates in their points-based system, Germany really wants to give people an option to come to Germany and look for jobs. It really doesn't matter what your educational background is, do you know German language or not, or what your current situation is. As long as you want to come in, experience the culture, do some trial work, see if it's the right fit for you, you are welcome to apply for this opportunity card. So whether you have a vocational training or a university degree, or whether you don't have any of this but still meet the points requirement, you are welcome. This opportunity card will entitle you to work for no more than 20 hours per week, and you can do trial work for 2 weeks. This will help you as an employee to understand if that job is the right fit for you, and it will also help your employer understand if you are the right fit in their organization. In each case, you must either be trained or qualified to do that employment. Now, there are 2 types of opportunity cards. Initially, when you apply for it, you will be issued what's called a search opportunity card. This will stay valid for 1 year. If you are able to find a job in this period, and as long as it is a full-time employment that's binding on the employer and you can apply for what's called a follow-up opportunity card, which will give you a 2-year extension. The follow-up opportunity card will only be issued if you don't qualify for any other residence permit. However, the one basic requirement of opportunity card is that you must have enough funds to cover your livelihood. Now, this really depends from case-to-case basis, but basically you should be able to cover your own accommodation, food, living, boarding, lodging, and your private insurance costs. You must also have a reliable source of funds, and you must also be able to show clearly that you will always have influx of stable funds until you get an opportunity to work in Germany. The best way to prove this is through suitable financial resources such as bank statements. And don't you worry, if you're not a skilled worker who has some highly exceptionally qualified degree, if you're not doing something that's super specialized, or even if you don't have a vocational training, you can still apply for opportunity card as long as you meet the requirement of 6 points. These points are awarded on the basis of certain criteria, and I found the criteria to be very simple and easygoing. Let's quickly discuss this. First up, foreign professional license can get you 4 points. Next, a B2 German can get you 3 points. A B1 German can get you 2 points. And A2 German can get you 1 point. English language at C1 can get you 3 points. If you're younger than 35 years, 2 points. If you are above 35 but below 40, 1 point. If you have 2 years of work experience along with a vocational training or a recognized degree, then you get 2 points. Next up, if you stay in Germany for at least 6 months in the last 5 years, you get 1 point. It's funny because even I qualify for this. Next, if you have a university degree and have 5 years of work ex in the last 7 years, 2 points. Next up, if you qualify in a shortage occupation, 1 point. And lastly, if you have a spouse who's willing to move with you, 1 point. In total, there are 23 points up for grabs. All that you need is 6 points. And you can literally get this opportunity card without having any work experience. Which brings me to the most important question. When can you apply for the opportunity card? Well, my friends, hold your horses because this will come into effect 10 months after the government has announced it. So we still have a little bit of play time to play around with it. But what you can do in the meanwhile is make sure you start familiarizing yourself with the German landscape. Make sure you update your resume. Make sure you come up with the financial numbers that can actually get you to this opportunity card. Also start doing research in terms of where you should be applying for opportunities and where you should be networking. And all of these will only increase your chances of going more global in your career. On that note, this amazing video has come to an end. I hope you found this video informative, and I hope that you will consider applying for the opportunity card. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, also hit the bell notification on. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, namaste. I just feel like very busy in my head. I don't know. If you... Hello?